Hey guys, how's it going? It's George from Techno.com, and for the last 1.5 years, due to the stay-at-home orders, we had to find new ways in order to spend our time while staying home. One of them, of course, the most popular, is to play more games and make a better gaming setup. So you're looking for a gaming mouse, gaming keyboard, gaming monitors, everything that has to do with gaming. But what about gaming earbuds? Well, in this video, we're gonna have a look at the EXA GT1 earbuds. Are they good? Are they worth it? Let's find out. At the first glance, the box is pretty small, smaller than the palm of my hand. As you can see, the headphones are pure black and is the only color which is available for purchase. On the back of the box, you have the specifications and details, including frequency range, latency, and battery capacity. On the side of the box, you've got the most important features. Since I don't have a knife, I will use my nail in order to remove the plastic of the box. But unfortunately, my nail doesn't seem to be sharp enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it off. Maybe I'm gonna remove it that way. Outside of the box, as you can see, there is a small cover which we have to remove in order to open the box and see the headphones. And as you can see, it's not very hard to remove it. You just push the box inside and you slide it out. The cap of the box uses a magnet, so just pull it out and it's gonna open nicely. The first thing you're gonna see inside is gonna be the case of the earbuds. And this is how the case looks like. As you can see, it has some shiny elements and the overall case is actually made out of plastic. There are some lights in the sides which will light up as soon as we put the case into charge. And once you open it, you're gonna see that the earbuds are nicely placed inside. What makes these earbuds different is, of course, the design. It looks very gaming-like design and is very attractive into your gaming setup. Of course, if you play a lot of games, you're most likely going to be using headphones over the ear, but over the time, headphones can make your head very tired because of the pressure and because of the pressure of your ears, and you want them to rest for a bit. So this is the perfect time to use these earbuds in order to put your ears to a rest for a bit. Of course, with a battery life of up to 30 hours of continuous playtime, you don't have to worry about charging these earbuds for days. Now let's see what else is within the box. Below the base, as you can see, there's a small user guide which can be used for reference if you forgot how to use these earbuds. Of course, don't worry about it because we're going to go through a demo in a few moments. And lastly, in a small plastic bag, we've got two things. We've got a USB to Type-C cable in order to charge the case with the earbuds, and I would like to thank EXA for giving us a USB to Type-C cable, as well as different sizes of extra ear caps in case the already installed ear caps in your earbuds are too small or too big. Alright guys, so right now we're on my favorite part, which is a live demo. So we're gonna go ahead and test these earbuds and see how good they are. So first we're gonna go ahead and test it and do a music test, and next time we're gonna go ahead and play a game. Alright, so number one thing, you're gonna have to take the head earbuds off. Oh, and by the way, once you remove your earbuds, you're gonna see two stickers which are blocking the charge to flow between the earbuds to the case. So just remove the stickers in order to allow it to charge by using the case. And then on each earbud there is a label of right or left. So please make sure to place them to the appropriate ear in order to avoid having any discomfort. Place on the other ear as well. And the good thing with these earbuds is that there is touch control. So to turn them on, you just have to touch them for 2 seconds. 1, 2. And you have also voice assistance saying power on, and then it will automatically be on the lookout. So it will be on pairing mode. So that means it's looking for a device to pair. And by the way, you'll have to turn on the earbud separately. So I'm gonna do this for the other one as well. So touching for 2 seconds on the other one as well. There we go. Okay, pairing. And I'm gonna grab my phone and I'm gonna go to settings, Bluetooth, and turn on Bluetooth, and then scroll all the way down where it says other devices and tap on GT1, and then you'll have a voice assistant saying connected. And now on my phone I'm gonna go ahead and play my favorite music. So let's go ahead and see how it sounds like. Okay, I'm gonna stop it now. And I think that the audio quality is pretty good. I think for $50 price tag, I think that the audio quality is exactly where it should be. It's not perfect. It's not the best audio quality I have ever heard in my whole life, but it's not the worst as well. But I think is for the price tag, for the design, for everything, I think that the audio quality is quite there. An okay control of the bass. I would like to see more control on the bass, like maybe more bass on the earbuds. Maybe more realistic audio as we have seen with other headphones or earphones in the past. But overall, I think that the audio quality is fine. I think it's acceptable. I think for the price tag is an acceptable audio quality. Now we're gonna move on and play some games. And the good thing with these earbuds is that there are two modes. So there's one music mode and the other one is gaming mode. And by switching to those two modes, you actually enjoy a better experience by listening to either music or playing games. So let's go ahead and play some games and see how they sound like. So once you launch your favorite game, you need to make sure that you triple touch the earbuds in order to switch to gaming mode. So touch 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and then it should say gaming mode. And now we're gonna go and try out the audio quality while playing a game. Alright, I'm gonna stop here. And I think that the audio quality is okay. It's not the best, it's not the worst, but I think it's okay. But I think these ones, I would say that they are doing a very good job. For $50, I think that the audio quality is pretty good, but if you're comparing it to bigger headphones or speakers, then you're probably not gonna be satisfied with the audio quality. So what about the final thoughts? Well, if you're a big fan of a gaming setup, so if you have a gaming mouse, a gaming keyboard, a gaming computer, gaming headphones, and you still want to have some earbuds, like something that you have on the move, then I think that the IKSA GT1 gonna be for you. They're very convenient and they don't slip actually. Like if I move my head like that, they don't really slip, and you can always change the ear cap in case you're insecure whether they're gonna slip or not. Definitely something to have so you can complete your gaming setup. But if you're casual about having a headset, then I think that these earbuds could be a choice in your to buy list. And finally, I want to hear from you guys. Do you love playing games? If so, what kind of headset are you using? Headphones, earbuds, what kind of model? Please let me know down in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, and don't forget to share this to your friends if they love playing games. Perhaps they're looking for a new earbuds to buy. Finally, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell right next to it in order to be the first person to watch our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'm gonna see you in my next video.